What's the meaning of breathalyser? Breathalyser. Breathalyser.
Breathalyser. Breathalyser. Breathalyser is a device used by law enforcement to measure the concentration of alcohol in a person's breath. The result of a breathalyser test is represented as a blood alcohol content, BAC, level. This is calculated by analyzing the amount of alcohol in a person's breath and converting it into an estimate of how much alcohol is in their bloodstream. In many countries, driving with a BAC level above a certain limit is illegal and can lead to penalties such as fines, license suspension or revocation, and even imprisonment. The result of a breathalyser test is therefore a critical indicator of whether someone is fit to drive or not.